Join me as I challenge myself to eat only healthy foods for a week and see if it really is the best medicine. Today, we're talking about a fascinating topic that's been gaining more and more attention in the medical community. The idea that eating right is, in fact, the best medicine. More and more doctors are starting to advocate for healthy eating as a primary form of medicine, and I'm excited to dive into this topic and explore it further. In today's world, we're facing an epidemic of chronic diseases like obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. And what's staggering is that a significant portion of these cases can be attributed to our lifestyle choices. We know that regular exercise is important, but the role that nutrition plays in our overall health cannot be overstated. The foods we eat have a direct impact on our bodies, and it's time we start taking responsibility for the fuel we put into our systems. Think about it. The typical Western diet is characterized by high levels of sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats. We're talking about processed foods, sugary drinks, and an alarming lack of essential nutrients. It's no wonder we're seeing skyrocketing rates of disease. And it's not just about personal choices, either. Our environment, socioeconomic status, and even cultural norms can all influence the way we eat. But here's the thing. It's not all doom and gloom. By making simple changes to our diets, we can actually start to reverse these trends. We can reduce our risk of chronic disease, improve our energy levels, and even boost our mood. It's about making conscious decisions to prioritize whole unprocessed foods, like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Let's talk about nutrition for a minute. When we eat whole foods, we're providing our bodies with the essential building blocks for optimal health. We're talking about vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, the works. These foods are designed to work in harmony with our bodies, providing energy, supporting growth, and even helping to repair damaged cells. On the flip side, processed foods are essentially empty calories, devoid of nutrients and instead loaded with harmful additives. But what about the benefits of a balanced diet? Well, for one, it can significantly improve our health outcomes. Studies have shown that a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can reduce the risk of chronic disease, improve heart health, and even support weight loss. And it's not just about physical health, either. A balanced diet has been shown to have a positive impact on mental health, too. So what do the experts have to say about all this? Dr. Mark Hyman, a leading functional medicine doctor, has said that food is the single most powerful tool we have to change our health. And Dr. Michael Greger, a renowned nutrition expert, has stated that the #1 cause of death in the United States is not heart disease, it's not cancer, it's not stroke, it's nutrition. These medical professionals are speaking out about the importance of nutrition in treatment plans, and the results are nothing short of astounding. For example, take that patients who were diagnosed with type 2 diabetes have reversed their diagnosis in a few short months by making simple changes to their diet, including cutting out processed foods and adding in more fruits and vegetables. And there are plenty of evidences that patients who were struggling with high cholesterol were able to lower their cholesterol levels and reduce their risk of heart disease. As we wrap up today's discussion, I want to leave you with a key takeaway. Food is, in fact, powerful medicine. By making conscious decisions to prioritize whole, unprocessed foods, we can take control of our health and start to see real, tangible results. So I want to hear from you. What are your experiences with diet and health? Have you made changes to your eating habits and seen improvements in your health? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're new here, be sure to check out some of my other videos on healthy living and nutrition. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips. And remember, small changes can lead to big health improvements.